بيلعبوا اكس او. بيلعب الروبوت اكس او.
I detected multiple changes on the board. Could you please revert them for me?
Wait, place it back. Just so you're. Sometimes it's you have to wait or something.
It's your turn. Please place a stone.
So it looks like an easy game, but for a robot, normally you need like a robot program who's doing all this. The robot is generating its own program all the time. So all the movements, everything is done by her own. And all the artificial intelligence. She can interact with.
It's your turn. Please place a stone. I detected an incorrect move. Are you trying to cheat? I am going to move now. Please take care and stay away from the workspace.
But that's also AI, you know? You don't know what she sees. And then she's first maybe thought that you're like placing it somewhere and like trying to cheat, and then. But you can try if you want to cheat. You will detect it.
I detected multiple changes on the board. Could you please revert them for me?
Just wait a second.
It's your turn. Please place a stone.
You can try to cheat something. No, like for example there. This would not be cheating. That's so difficult.
It looks like you didn't place your stone properly into the field. Please place the stone properly into the field.
So she even detects when you're not placing it correctly.
You placed the stone in an already used field. Please place your stones only in empty fields, since cheating is not possible against me. Ha ha.
Ha ha.
You can place it. It's the only point. Yeah. So.
Draw.
I am still waiting for you to make a move.
This is draw now.
A draw on hard mode. Well done.
Well done.
Okay, yeah, hello. My name is Jan Bühler and I'm from Neuro Robotics. I'm a project manager in Neuro Robotics and we have the world's first cognitive robot. What does cognitive mean? Cognitive robot is it can see, it can hear, and it can even feel forces. So that's new to the robot market. So what we are trying to amplify is a complete new era of robotics. What you see in the background here is that Myra, this is our cognitive robot, she can interact with the environment, for example a bin packing environment, and sort all the objects from one box to another box.
Okay, and what other tasks this robot can do in the real life? يعني not XO.
Okay, yeah. I mean the XO game or tic-tac-toe is only an example for what the capabilities of the robot can be. So the bin picking application is something that you could do in industry, but we are not limited to any industries. We can do it for any industry that you want to take it. So we could do for welding application, for laboratory automation, in hospitals, or example in the hotel as hospitality agent that helps you find your room or even answers your question when you come to the new hotel.
Where you deployed your system up to now?
We have a lot of customers already. Like I said, for example, welding. We're doing a lot of like welding and also with intelligence functions for welding, so that you don't need any programming for this anymore. You could just use your finger as a pointer, and if you have a welding line, that you can just use it, the finger, to show where the robot should weld.
What you can say about the future of the robot, and it will be instead of human being, or what is this? يعني, what is the trend?
Okay, I mean we see the trend that first of all we want at the moment close the gap between collaborative robots that are slow but safe and the fast robots that, for example, industrial robots, but they cannot be used, for example, at home.
Okay.
But we want to close the gap between exactly this. We want to have a highly accurate robot and also a very fast robot and very safe and easy to teach. Easy to teach, for example, by interaction, by voice commanding. So for us, the trend goes definitely in this way, that for home robotics or for...
What I can see here, the hospitality, I saw...
Yeah, on one of the pictures.
It is the picture of the hospitality.
Yeah, maybe I can show this.
Yeah.
It's not hospitality, but...
Okay. Make a small change.
Yeah. So what you can see here is is that we can use the robots at home, and we finally want to get rid of this discussion: who's responsible at home
Yes.
for cleaning up the room? It's not the wife, it's not the man, it's not the kid. At the end, it will be the robot who does it.
Yeah, if the robot, let's talk about generally. When we said that the robot, it will be it will take the task from the human being.
Yes.
And the non-employee, it will be increased. If this lead to change the jobs itself, يعني, rather than to be a labor or to be in the hospitality working anything, to be data scientist or to be a programmer.
I mean, first of all,
What do you think?
Yeah,
You are from the industry.
we are. Yeah, not from the industry. We want to amplify humanity. We don't want to get rid of any jobs, but we want to make it better. For example, in a hotel, and we want to get rid of these jobs that maybe they're not good. For example, in paint industries or in welding industry.
Industry, but
Yeah.
the non-industry, the hospitality, and like this, I cannot get
For
this.
example, cleaning toilets. Why not using a robot for cleaning the toilets instead of a human? Nobody likes cleaning the
Yes,
toilets.
nobody likes.
So why not?
And
So we're
this
trying to get.
low-paid tasks and jobs.
Yeah. And first of all, this would be like, and also for amplifying at home. So when you go away from industry, if you have a robot at home, it will not replace you.
It will not replace
It will
anyone.
just help you.
Yeah, it will not replace anyone,
Yeah.
wife or children, no problem, because
No,
everyone.
they will still be there.
Yeah.
But they don't have to do the annoying tasks like bringing the stuff to the washing machine, washing the dishes, or don't know, cleaning shoes, whatever.
This, I think, when I speak with you now,
Yeah.
I imagine in my mind the RoboCop movie,
Yeah.
and there is another movie also talking
Terminator.
about. No, Terminator is very old, but RoboCop and Will Smith
Yeah.
is half man and half robot.
Yeah.
They use robots like this actually, and it looks
Yeah.
like this in the film,
future?
in the movie.
Yeah.
And I think that in this booth we are standing here in the future, not now. I think that
That's the point.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Thank you, Jan, and
Yeah.
the company name.
It's
Sorry,
Neural Robotics.
Neural Robotics from where?
We are from Germany.
Germany. Yes,
Yeah.
I like Germany.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Thank you again.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
باي باي. دلوقتي احنا في بوث شركه اسمها مايرو، دول عندهم روبوت بينتنج روبوت، this intelligent robot for painting. ومعانا
My name is Ariana.
yes,
Hello.
she will explain more about this and I will translate later.
Yeah, so basically this is the world's first painting. Basically this is the world's first wall painting robot. So we have this over here. This has a lot of benefits along with it. So the first benefit I can say is that it's very fast. So it is 1,000 square feet per hour a day. So that means it can replace up to 10 laborers in a day. That is the first benefit. The second one is that it's very safe to use because it has a sensor infused in it as well. So even if you are nearby or you have object beside you, so it's going to make sure that that robot does not go alongside with it. And the third thing I can say is that it's very easy to use. So that means that it can be installed in your phone or in any device of iOS or Android. So you can be accessing from it through anywhere you can.
This robot can paint one color, or I can put some like of art or picture and can paint it.
Okay.
How it can paint it?
Basically, this robot can paint with any color, regardless. It doesn't matter which paint, but it can also paint on any texture. But
Art.
it does not. No, it does not paint any painting. It's only painting one color, like any color, solid color, no art.
No art.
Yes.
If there is any future
In future, yeah, we are coming up with that.
To make this,
Yes.
to paint the art, because
Yes,
this
yes.
is important for
Yeah, it
the
is.
architecture.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, and I hope the next year we can see this art
Yes.
one from this
Yeah,
robot. Thank you, bye bye.